We're now going to check in with HGTV's own Mike Holmes.
What should a homeowner know when starting a kitchen renovation?
Every homeowner should know that before starting your kitchen renovation, that you hire the right people. Think about it. On the majority, everyone will hire a kitchen cabinet company to do the kitchen. What about electrical? What about plumbing? What about the flooring? Do you want to now open it up, take a wall down? You really need to talk to maybe a general contractor who has all those people in his belt: a plumber, an electrician, talent, and a kitchen company. Do that first, and odds are you're going to have a successful kitchen.
Thanks for watching The Marc and Mandy Show. Like our video by clicking below and subscribe to our YouTube channel.